Welcome back, class, to the 10th chapter of Geography, class 7th, Life in Deserts. Deserts are the region characterized by extremely high or low temperature. They are characterized by two parts. First one is hot deserts, and second one is cold deserts. Hot deserts are the deserts as hot as fire, and cold desert are the deserts as cold as ice. Deserts are the arid regions which have low precipitation, and this low precipitation makes the life of the plants and animals hostile. Type of deserts: hot desert, which is Sahara Desert in Africa, and the cold desert is Ladakh Desert in India. Sahara Desert. It was once to have lush green plants in the Sahara deserts. The cave painting of Sahara deserts shows there were rivers with crocodiles, elephant, lion, ostrich, sheep, and goats. The following characterization of the Sahara Desert at present: it is world's largest desert having 8.54 million square kilometer, which is India's area is only 3.2 kilometers square. It is spread into 11 countries of Africa: in north Algeria, Morocco, Libya, Tunisia; in eastern is Sudan; in central part Chad, Niger; and in the western part is Western Sahara, Mali, Mauritius, and Morocco. Surface features are sand, plains, elevated plateaus, and bare rocky surfaces. The climate of the Sahara Desert is hot as 50 degree Celsius temperature and the cold as 0 degree Celsius. The sky is clear and cloudless. Moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates. Accumulation means the assembled. Flora and fauna of Sahara Desert. Vegetation is cactus, date palms, and animals are camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, snakes, and lizards. The people are the Bedouins and Tuaregs, nomadic tribes in the Sahara Desert, and goats, sheep, and camels are important livestock. Minerals are the iron ore, petroleum, phosphorus, manganese, uranium, important minerals in Sahara deserts. What is oasis? Large areas where water is available in the desert are called oases. How oases are formed? Depression is formed and winds blow away. Depression means the hollow region in the earth's surface. Depression formed and winds blow away the sands, and in this depression underground water reaches the surface and oasis is formed. These areas are fertile. The cold desert is Ladakh desert, which is present in India. In Ladakh, La means mountains and Dak means country. Ladakh lies in Great Himalayas. In eastern side of Ladakh we have Jammu Kashmir. In the northern have Karakoram ranges, and in the south we have Jaskar ranges. Indus is the main river which forms deep valley and gorges. The altitude of Ladakh desert is Kargil, which is at 3000 meter, and Karakoram ranges, which is at 8000 meter. Exercise: what are the two types of deserts found in world? Temperate and tropical. In which continent is Sahara Desert located? It's Africa. What are the climatic conditions of Ladakh desert? The climatic conditions are temperate. What mainly attracts tourists to the Ladakh to visit Gompus, Gompas is a Buddhist monasteries for trekking to see meadows, for trekking to see glaciers, to see ceremonies and festivals. What type of clothes the people of Sahara Desert wear? People of Sahara Desert region wears heavy robes is as it protects from the dust storm and hot winds. Name the trees that grow in Ladakh. Due to high aridity and high altitude, the vegetation is sparse, but during summer, trees such as apple, walnuts, and apricots are found. So last chapter of class 7th is also complete. We have completed the series of class 6th and 7th. You can check at the YouTube channel of Exam Map. We will back again with the remaining series of classes 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Thank you class.